So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys hit enter. Then guys click to product. Now this click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this. LAN. So LAN driver, click to download. It is only 5 MB. So it is downloaded. Just single click to open setup, double click. Then click to yes. You can see here Realtek LAN driver for Gigabyte. So it is completed. So close it.